U3 Drawing DXF File Tutorial. Export DWG files to DXF format. Open Inkscape. Open DXF file. The original drawing is relatively large, and you need to zoom the interface to see it. Set the paper size first. Select A4 landscape size. Zoom in the pattern to the paper. After locking the ratio, zoom out again. After confirming the size and position, click in the blank position and save it. Click on Extensions and select UUNA TEK 3.0 Plotter. Select the machine port and connect to the machine. After the connection is successful, wait for the program to convert the image into G-code. After loading the pen and paper, click Print, and the machine starts drawing.